connected your phone to iTunes and somehow or another you erased all your data. That's not the most uncommon thing in the world. Happens to a lot of people. There are a couple different things we can do to try to get our data back. First, plug your phone up to iTunes, and when iTunes starts up, as long as this is the computer that you were using to back up in the past, you have two options to back up, either using iCloud or by using iTunes itself. So plug your phone up to iTunes. When the phone appears on the left-hand column, do a right click on the phone and choose to restore from backup. Now, if you had not backed up to this computer, that's not going to be available. But if you choose to restore from backup, you're going to see a new prompt that will give you a list of different times that this phone has backed up to the computer. Select the one that seems to be most appropriate, most likely maybe a week ago, and then choose to restore. It should bring all of the content back. If that doesn't work, then you could go directly to the phone itself, select Settings, go into iCloud. When you get to iCloud, if you were backing up through iCloud itself, then at the very bottom under Storage and Backup, you could select and you would be able to restore from your backup there. Now, if that still doesn't work, still not the end of the world, you can always reset up your accounts under Mail, Contacts, and Calendars, assuming that you either had a Gmail or a me.com email address with your iCloud. Then you could set it up iCloud. If that doesn't work, then you could still download things a la carte, like your movies, your music, things like that, by going into iTunes or the App Store the same way, selecting music, then select Purchases Not on This Phone. When you select Purchases Not on This Phone, it'll give you a list of all the content. This works for apps as well as music. Select any of that, then re-download by using the iCloud icon. Hopefully that'll get all your data back.